Hi, today we're looking into business registration form. This is a simple registration form where businesses can enable the registrations. So as you can see, we've got a form builder on the left and the responses on the right. Under the form builder, you can see the business registration details such as the owner first name, last name, the business name, contact number, email address, and all the things that you typically find for registration of a business. And when you jump to the responses view, you can see all the responses that have been submitted by the people who are trying to register for a business. So how exactly this will work? Go to the form builder, click on share form and click on copy form link. Make sure anyone on the web can fill up this link. And once you expose this link to the user who is going to do the registration, you will be able to see the entire form populate one by one with all the fields that we have already added. Just want to remind you that this form builder is completely editable as per your needs. You can edit all the fields and make changes as and when you wish to do so. Everything can be set up as per your own requirement. So let's jump to business registration form and let me quickly randomly fill in some of the details over here. As you can see, I'm filling in random details over here, and we are going to go ahead with these details and see how the responses are being captured. Okay, so I'm quickly filling in some details, and once all the details are filled in, click on submit. As you click on submit, you will be able to see the response has now been submitted, and if you go back to the registration form responses, you will be able to see the new response has come up on the top over here. Okay, so every time a participant is filling up this response in the form section, you will be able to capture the responses under the responses view. Besides this, I also want to talk about a new tool that is PDF output. PDF output is a tool which helps you generate PDF documents in bulk. It does this with the help of a Google document which acts as a source of template file where you can define the PDF document for a use case. And then it requires either a Google Sheet or a Notion database from where you are going to pick up the source of the information from the database. So basically, whatever data you fill in either in Google Sheet or Notion database, those details will be captured on a Google document and it will help you generate bulk PDF documents for a use case. I've added a video which demonstrates how you can do the exact same for invoices. So watch this video to understand more about this process and you can take help of PDF output to start generating documents for your needs. If you have any questions or queries, reach out to me at notionformyuse@gmail.com. This is where I will be able to help you further with any of the questions. Thank you for watching this video. Have a great day.